Business Standard. No more, no less.
I am Sridhar. Our company is called Maza Learn Private Limited, which is basically a company for education that is having fun while learning.
My name is Amit Somani and I am a managing partner with Prime Venture Partners. So we are a seed stage venture capital firm that invests in early stage technology companies.
I am Ankur Gupta. I am co-founder for Advise. Advise is building a SaaS platform for marketers to easily optimize and scale up their digital marketing spend.
Hi, I'm Pankaj Risbud. I'm co-founder of a company called ZenDrive. We are in the business of understanding driving behavior, how people actually drive their cars on the road.
Hi, I'm Sachin Shenoy. I'm a techie. I have 15 years of experience now with Healthify Me as co-founder and head of engineering. We are into health and wellness space. Basically, our goal is to make people healthy. That's primarily into weight loss.
So I am the founder of Cloud Infra. I am new Melchizedek Sundar Raj. What Cloud Infra does is offer machine learning solutions leveraging our Google-like infrastructure on the cloud.
So I am Lalitesh Katrageda. I am working on bringing internet to 1 billion people.
I'm Tarkeshwar from ChatMT and I am a co-founder with Arvind, and we make a chat platform, and we provide chat as a service for other apps.
I was heading various product management initiatives around the world, from India, Asia Pac, even global products in the ads, search, mobile space.
First I worked on ads front end. Later I worked on a little bit on ads back end. Initially I was in the search team for the first couple of years. Then I moved to search ads backend team.
At Google, I primarily worked on two products. One is Google Search by Voice.
So I worked on various products, include Google Finance, Orkut, SMS channels, and various internal products also.
Working on a variety of problems including search, ranking, crawler and translate.
I helped start the India Engineering Center, build products like Google Transliteration and Google Mapmaker.
I worked there on social search primarily and music search towards the end of it.
I was working initially in Google News. Later on I worked on Google Music with Tarkeshwar.
One of the most important things we learned from Google is the idea of dreaming big.
So there is like a gazillion learnings that work, and we did inherit a lot of them and tried to implement a lot of them at Make My Trip.
One is like scaling up. That was a big learning.
Give as much information as possible to everybody in the company.
Things like being data driven and culture, as pointed out by him, those are the major.
Never solve a problem that's already been solved, because that adds no value to people. And it's just as hard to solve impossible problems at scale than to solve interesting problems at scale. So might as well take on the impossible problems.
What's happening is that most people who might have been healthy in the young age start working in companies, put a lot of effort, and by 35-40 realize they have a health issue. Either primarily has to do with weight related, right, diabetics or hypertension or anything, right. That's the time they realize that they need to fix their health. And our biggest problem that we are solving is get India healthy.
We want to make all driving safer. Many times you see driving on the road, people drive fairly unsafe, right? We believe that through data and analytics, which is something that we understand pretty well, we will be able to change that. We'll be able to understand that and then change the behaviors so that we would see a much safer driving happening on the roads.
For large e-commerces and other marketplaces, there is a lot of machine learning algorithms can help them increase their revenue. But to actively leverage core machine learning algorithms, you need a very vibrant data processing infrastructure. So leveraging state-of-the-art infrastructure on the cloud, we deliver quality machine learning solutions that will help boost your revenue, powering your personalization and recommendation and search and other stuff.
If you want to get the benefit of the demographic dividend that is expected to be in India, we want our children to be really smart, really engaged and really understanding what they are doing. So we are trying to make this through the medium of science.
We're trying to get amazing companies built out of India. We're trying to get global, big, world-class companies built out of India.
There are 1 billion people outside the gates as far as India is concerned. They are left out of the economic ecosystem, and I believe the reason is that they are not empowered. And the way we can empower them is with information. So we need to build information systems, give them internet access, as well as build devices that they can use at the price points that they can afford.
We are making pseudonymous communities work, and yeah, in a sense it solves the community, in a sense solves a meet new problem also to an extent. Either people go for real networks when trying to engage with the users, which is a good thing, which keeps spam and abuse out, but it reduces interaction. But the other extreme of this anonymous things like YouTube comments or anything usually don't work, and we feel that we have found a good solution for that.
So in Google, one big lesson that I have learned is launch, iterate, launch, iterate, launch, iterate. And that is what I sort of have imbibed it very well in my startup.
To identify problems that or identify areas where we can have a significant impact on the mainstream of this country and focus my energies on building innovations for that purpose.
Force this sort of transparency, give as much information as possible to everybody in the company, because that makes people who are working with you have a lot more sense of ownership and accountability.
Of how the engineering execution is done, how people are given work, how the work is executed, all are from Google, and they work really well.
Company processes and company, how we treat our employees and how the environment is kept very free, open, transparent, and pretty much this all comes from Google. We also try to keep a lot of our actions very data driven.
Google builds into our DNA is something called scale. So we automatically start thinking big. We automatically start building our systems so they can scale to millions and billions of people.